Hello everyone, my name is Zaina Sumi and I am a staff librarian at Marshall University Library. Librarians love to give information, so it is my pleasure today to give you a brief overview of the research tools available to you as an online student. Of course, there are multiple ways you can reach the library homepage. You can start at the Marshall homepage, select Current Students, and here you find libraries. In My MU, come to the menu here on the left, and Library is here at the bottom. Or in Blackboard, in your courses, under Student Services and Support, you'll find the library. Look familiar? There are many ways you can find the library. Now that you are on the library page, I'd like to point out some features. There are two easy ways you can access our resources. Here, along the top, with the drop-down menus, or you can go to the choices here under Search, or select any choices here on our Find It Fast. Please note that under the tab Information for all students, you can find some great resources on evaluating sources, citing sources, EndNote, copyright, and so forth. If we come back to the home page, there are great ways you can reach out to a librarian. You can come here at a glance and text a librarian, and you can chat with a librarian. Don't lose heart if the chat is offline. You can still search our FAQs, and you can still submit your question. If you're struggling with your topic or with your project, we recommend that you schedule a research consultation by selecting this link. We have great options for locating books, ebooks, and articles. We currently have two search engines, Discovery and Summon. These will find books and ebooks that are in our collection and will find articles as well. For example, if we select Discovery, we can enter a specific term very generically, like library. And this is going to bring up a large amount of resources, but you can narrow down your search from here. Let's return to the home page. If there is a specific book you are looking for, you may want to go directly to our catalog. You can enter your title here, or you can use the advanced search right here. If, for example, you are wanting to see all of our listings on a topic or by an author, we can go to the drop-down for the author and see what we find. I had a typo, so I started again, and I'm looking for Zora Neale Hurston. We can see that we have books, but if we want to go to the advanced search or start another search, we can do so right here. Here we are on the advanced search page. I'm going to select author, and then I have the choice. As an online student, you're going to want an ebook, so let's look for that. And here we do have one book, and we can connect to the ebook, and it is going to prompt you to enter your Marshall single sign-on credentials. As an online student, there are a couple of other great options I want to point out to you. One is this feature here in the center of our homepage called Traveling Scholars. Depending on where you are, this may give you access to wonderful additional resources. There's an authorization form that you will need to fill out if you are seeking this service. Another great resource I want to point out to you is Marshall Digital Scholar. This is our institutional repository. So some of your professors' articles that they've published may be included here, but there are wonderful research tools here. And if you're ever published, this is a great place for you to share your work. I really encourage everyone to take a look at this great service that we offer and see that these articles and the scholarly works by your professors are being used around the world. Another feature I would like to make you aware of is our interlibrary loan. And you can request electronic articles this way. So if you've run across an article that really supports your research and we don't happen to have it through one of our journals or databases, this is a great way for you to reach out and get that information. You will have to log in and register, but you should be able to get the article quite quickly. Finally, I want to encourage you to take some time and explore some of these choices. We are very fortunate that the university is able to offer us a wide variety of reliable scholarly works. Please remember also that even though you may not be on our campus physically, we are still here to serve you. Do not hesitate to call, text, email, or initiate a chat with us. We sincerely want to say the library is pleased to serve you. Best of luck in your endeavors at Marshall University.